Asuntosköt och Haukkarinne.
This is still amazing, although it's not exactly what we were hoping for. We were hoping for Helsinki Hissi, but still not. Well, we found some, but that would be too original.
Yeah.
But there still has one building which we'll check too. It's Hintsankatu 3 to 5 staircase G. It was not about
Pappila.
Pappila in Tampere, of course, big one, big land. Finland, built in 1969 by ValmetSchlieren, Zimbers VS 1680, and this is probably the beginning of 1969. 63 versatile backgrounds, I like the smell here.
Same here.
Two rights. This is already the 8th elevator today.
Yeah.
So they're standard amount, but they're still very good.
Yeah. Niin se pitpaikki vain, mutta nyt meidän paikka on nyt.
You said they would probably VS and they are.
Yeah.
So because Eskis was Skinner.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's